know, man? I know. Let's ask Brother Alan. Ha! Biomaterials? Let's start in history. Good day, everyone. I will tell something about you, the history of biomaterials. This will broadly trace from the earliest days of human civilization to the dawn of the 21st century. It is convenient to organize the history of biomaterials into 4 eras prehistory. The era of surgeon hero, designed biomaterials or engineered devices, and the contemporary era leading into a new millennium. However, the emphasis of this will be on the experiment and studies that set the foundation for the field we call biomaterials. Again, biomaterials before World War II or before civilization, the introduction of non-biological materials into the human body was noted far back in prehistory. The remains of a human found near Kenwick, USA, often referred to as the Kenwick Man, was dated with some controversy to be 9,000 years old. This individual, described by archaeologists as a tall, healthy, active person, wandered through the region now known as southern Washington with a spear point embedded in his hip. Now, dental implants in early civilization, the Mayan people fashioned knuckle teeth from the seashells in roughly 600 AD and apparently achieved what we now refer to as bone integration, basically a seamless integration into the bone. Similarly, an iron dental implant in the corpse dated 200 AD was found in Europe. This implant too was described as a properly bone integrated. Hi guys! Now we will move on about the definition of biomaterials. Synthetic material to make devices to replace part a living system or to function in intimate contact with living tissue. Biological materials, a material that is produced by a biological system. Biocompatibility, acceptance of an artificial implant by the surrounding tissues and by the body as a whole. The science of biomedical materials involves a study of the composition and properties of materials and the way in which they interact with the environment in which they are placed.
As the number of available materials increases, it becomes more and more important to be protected from unsuitable product of materials, which have been thoroughly evaluated. Number 1, standard specifications. Such specifications normally give dealers for A, the testing of certain products, B, the method of calculating the results, and C, the minimum permissible result which is acceptable. Number 2, laboratory evaluation. Laboratory tests, some of which are used in standard specification, can be used to indicate the suitability of certain materials. Lastly, clinical trials. Although lab tests can provide many important and useful data on materials, the ultimate test is the controlled and clinical trial and verdict of practitioners after a period of use and general practice. Many materials produce good results in the laboratory, only to be found lacking when subjected to clinical use. Here's some applications or examples of biomaterials. Color lens, vascular grafts, substitute heart valves, artificial hip joints, and InGen Shita heart valves. Thank you guys for listening to all of us tuning out there, especially to engineer Mom Velasco. Thanks so much. Thank you so much, man. Bye. And here's some applications. And here are some examples or applications. And here's some applications. These were broadly traced from the earliest days of human civilization to the dawn of materials before World War II or before civilization.
The introduction of non-biological materials in the
human ba? Go.
And lastly, hindi ko makita.
Naglalakad na ba.